Okay, let's take a look at what it'd be like to do some research using the Google Research tool for a content area research project. Now, before you start, what we're going to need you to do is have a Google document open. So if you need a minute, pause this video and go open up a Google document and title it your last name, comma, your first name, your class period number, and then the term Rev Research. Okay, so now that we're in a document, you'll notice that the document is named correctly. What we are going to do is launch the toolbar and go to Research. Now this research bar pops up on the right-hand margin here. And what we are going to now do is search for our person. And then we are going to use the term site:.edu. And what this will return is information from .edu websites only. You can do the same thing with .gov, .org, .com. And what we'll get is 100% search returns with that domain name. Once we've returned some search terms, what we then need to do is preview and then insert links and cite. Now you'll notice as I mouse over each of these websites, 3 buttons pop up underneath. So what I'm going to do here is the first thing I will do is I will preview this site. And then oftentimes I'll click through this website to do a little bit of reading. If this is a relevant website that I know I'm going to use in my research, what I will then do is I will click the Insert Link button, and then I will immediately cite the source. And you'll notice that it's going to footnote that source and place that footnote on the bottom of the page. Afterward, what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin reading this website and I'm going to cite information from it. Once I have cited the source, I then need to go and start reading the document. So I'm going to click through here, which is going to take me to this document, and I'm going to start reading the information. Once I find information that I need, I'm going to paraphrase that information and add it to this research document. So I will identify the fact that he was interested in dentistry. And then from there, I need to cite the source internally. So I'm going to use just the root of the website. And the paragraph number. And I'm going to move my way through the entire source in that way. Once I've finished collecting the information that I need from this source, I will continue my search by going to some of the other sources provided, and I will click through to the links. If I am planning on using this source, I will head back to my research document. I will insert the link. I will immediately cite it, which again will bring that citation, that full citation onto the bottom of the page. And I will move my way through this document in the same way that I moved through the first one. And I can continue doing that until I either have enough research or I decide I'm going to use another search term. There's 2 real benefits in using this process. The first is the fact that it keeps all of your information in the same place. So if when you go to complete your project you need more information, you then have the direct link to the website as well as the full source citation on the bottom. And the second real good reason to use it this way is when you need to go and put a works cited page together, you can copy and paste this directly into your works cited page. Okay, I hope this has been helpful for you. Before we finish, I'd really like to remind you that we would really like you to use the search terms site:.edu, site:.gov, and site:.org. Please let us know if you have any questions.